Hello YouTube friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to verify that 1 over r times r plus 1 is identical to 1 over r minus 1 over r plus 1. Now to verify this, what you do is write down right hand side, RHS, like this, and it's going to be equal to 1 over r minus 1 over r plus 1. Now, this up here is going to be the same as 1 over r times 1 minus 1 over r plus 1 times 1. Anything multiplied by 1 is itself. From here, we transform this 1 into r plus 1 over r plus 1, and we transform this 1 over here into r over r. If you do this, something very useful is going to happen next. What you end up with is r plus 1 over r times r plus 1 minus r over r multiplied by r plus 1. And with these two fractions, you get exactly the same denominator. This means that you can combine the two fractions to get r plus 1 minus r over r multiplied by r plus 1. And from here, what you end up with, because these r's cancel each other out, is 1 over r times r plus 1. Okay? What you do next is write down that this is equal to the left hand side, and this means that you've verified that 1 over r times r plus 1 is identical to 1 over r minus 1 over r plus 1. If you like my mathematics proofs project, then please support me on Instagram. A link to my personal Instagram page is below this video, and you can also access my mathematics proofs page on Instagram as well. A link to it is also below this video. Now, thanks for watching, stay subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you again soon.